Hello everyone, we are going to be looking at transpose of a matrix. The transpose of a matrix, let's say matrix A, denoted by A raised to the power of T. So this is A transpose, is interchanging its rows and columns. So let me explain. If, for example, I have matrix A as 1, 2, 3, 4, this is row 1, this is row 2, this is column 1, this is column 2. What it means is that this row 1 will come to the position of column 2 and occupy that position. That is interchanging. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can see that this row 1 has occupied the position of column 1. Row 2 has occupied the position of column 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Then we have matrix. If B is 0, 1, 4, so this is row 1, is going to come to column 1. This is row 2, is going to come to column 2. This is row 3, is going to come to column 3. So that is how to go about this. So we have some questions here. Number 1, we have find the transpose of 3, minus 5, 6, and minus 4. So we are looking for the transpose. The transpose. So this is row 1. What is in row 1? 3, 6 is going to come here. 3, 6. What is in row 2? Minus 4 and minus 5 is going to come here in column 2. Minus 5 and minus 4. And that is the answer. We go to number 2. If P is this, find P transpose. So we are looking for the P transpose. So what is in row 1? You pick everything in row 1 and put it in column 1. What we have in row 1 is 3, minus 1, 2, and 3. So it's going to come here. 3, minus 1, 2, and 3. What is in row 2? 7, 8, 9, minus 2 is going to occupy the position of column 2. So 7, 8, 9 minus 2. What is in row 3? Minus 3, 0, 1, 0. So it's going to occupy the position of column 3. Minus 3, 0, 1, 0. And that should be the final answer. We go to number 3. If matrix A is this, matrix B, find A plus B. So A plus B transpose is what we are looking for, but we need to add A plus B first. And you remember how we used to add. You can only add when the order are the same. The order here is 3 by 3. The order here is 3 by 3. So we can add. Remember how we used to do it. So let's add. 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. We go to this. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus minus 5 is minus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then we go to this. 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 plus minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Let's get the transpose. So what is occupying in row 1? We have 5. The element there is 5 minus 1, 2. So it's going to come to column 1 and occupy it. So we have 5 minus 1, 2. What is in row 2 is 9 minus 1, 4. So it's going to come here in column 2. 9 minus 1, 4. What is in row 3 is 6 minus 2 minus 2. So it's going to come here. 6 minus 2 minus 2. And this should be the final answer. So when you hear transpose, it means that you are interchanging the position of the rows and the columns. Row 1 will go and occupy position of column 1. Row 2 will occupy the position of column 2. Row 3 will occupy the position of column 3. So as easy as that. Thank you.